Today we just installed a Tesla moonroof shade for the Y model. You start with this cable and you start back here and you tuck it up underneath here all the way up, and you go up underneath this channel here, right? Then you come up, and when you get up to here, you put this in here like this, and you pull it down and you push it in, right? So push it down, put it in. Then in this kit, it gives you this little plastic strip. You take this plastic strip, you push it in here and feed it in to the other side. You come on the other side, and it's easier to lay down with the seats down. And you put the thing in here on this side. Right now I had the moonroof installed because I didn't think I was going to do a video on this. So you bring the wire out here and you run it all the way along there. It's very easy. Just run it all the way to the front using this thing. About midway, right there where that crack is, you will have to add the extension onto it, and you run it all the way around the front, and you leave your wire out hanging up there. And then this piece is all one piece. And so when you have it on the ground, there's 2 screws on this side right here and 2 screws on that side right there that you put these 2 clips on, and then you slide the whole unit in through the back. And what I did is I laid the seats down and I rested the front on the 2 front seats. And so these 2 clips will slide in up underneath the trim, and that will hold the back in place. And so then the front becomes a little more trickier. Hi, Amy. So if you can see those clips right there, you have to put them in there, and then they give you 3 holes you can try to hit, but it's easier to try to line it up. And I was able to get the first one on my own, and I have a long 12-inch extension for my impact, and so those clips just sitting there. Same thing with the back. You'll see there's clips attached back here that go into, it's holding it up. Trying to get a better view for you. So see them over there in the corner, and then there's one over there too as well. And so it just slides in back here, and then you push it up. You connect your power cord to that box right back there before you do it, and then you put a screw in there and a screw in there, and it's done. And then you come back here to the back. This little gray connector, this is where the cigarette lighter was connected. You just put this one in line with this. And then you connect this one. And then you take this tool and you shove this back in here like this. And then you take this trim tool and you pull this rubber seal back out, and you tuck this behind it. And that's it. It's all done. Pull this back out. Well, so when you pull the wire through here, you'll tape it to here and pull it through the other side. I'd already done that, sorry. And then you do that, and it's all done. There you go. Installing the mechanical sunshade in a Tesla Model Y.